guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow other users to share your posts or share your story in their message or to their story in the Instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on your username at the top, click on edit profile, and then tap on privacy and security, tap on edit story settings in the story section. Then you should scroll down to the sharing section, and here you can turn on or enable two features: allow sharing to stories, so other users can add your post to their story and your username will be shown with their posts. So tap on this button to turn it on. And you can also turn on the allow sharing to messages feature, meaning that people will be able to share your story in their message. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.